Hi everyone! Today we're going to be working on translating, solving, and graphing inequalities. Another math lesson, okay? So our goal will just be translate, solve, and graph verbal inequalities by using keywords, inverse operations, and number line. Here are some words that we might need to know while we're doing inequalities. So we'll have something like this symbol is less than sign symbol, but eventually you could see some words to say under, below, fewer than, beneath. You could do also about above, over, exceeds, more than. Also, if you have this symbol, this is less or equal to, you could have encountered, or you might encounter the word at most, maximum, no more than. And this is a greater or equal to symbol, but you could also see some words that says at least, minimum, or no less than. Alright, let's say for example I have the value of x less than 9. So we could rewrite this, we could translate this as the value of x should be less than 9. And we could graph them so that we could identify our possible solution. So we could say, since the graph is empty, we could just use it in anywhere in the graph to graph 9. So I just gonna graph them in the middle. That's easy for me to find. And then I'm gonna have an open circle because it says the value of x less than 9. So less than, it means it's not shaded. And I could go over here because it says less than 9. So the possible x that I could get, since I asked you to give me at least 3, the first 3. So the first possible answer is 8, 7, 6. And you could actually move on all the way to the end of whatever answer that is in there, or number that is less than 9. Alright? So for next example, so we got 10 is not more than x. So 10 is not more than x. So we could just write here 10 will be, it's not more, right? So it could be less or equal to x. But if you're gonna look over that, 10 is not more than x, but it could be equal to x. It's just not more than x. So we gonna graph that. So since it is less or equal to, so again we're gonna go back and understand what it is. So 10 is not more than x, so it means x's will be greater than the x, than the 10, because 10 should not be more than those x. So the possible solution for this inequality, we could say 10, 11, and 12. Because 10 should be less than or equal to x. Okay? So for the next example that we have, x is more than 15. So here we go. So x will be more than 15. It's easy. So I could put 15 here and it's open because it should be more than 15. So therefore the possible x, I can label this 15. Right? So the possible x that I could have should not be 15 because it should be more than 15. Okay? And since I asked you for the first 3, that first 3 is enough, but you could always put those 3 dots to say that you could do other than those numbers greater than 15. Okay? Next one, the value of x is at most 7. So it means that x is the x will be less or equal to 7 because the value of x is at most 7. So it means it's not gonna go up more than 7. It is at most. The maximum is 7. So we're gonna start here and it's closed figure, because 7 will be our possible answer. and the excess will be lower than that because the most is 7. So the possible answer that we could get 7. 7 will be one of the first answer that we got, and 6 and 5 and so on. Okay, all right, there you go. So those are some examples on how we translate verbal expressions into verbal inequality into algebraic inequality, and graph them and find the solutions of those inequalities. All right, guys, so your homework and your task will be in your Google Classroom. I want you to go there and check and double check. All right, so again, enjoy springtime, enjoy the rain, but stay safe, okay? And then thank you for watching, everyone. Stay safe again. Make the best of everything that you have every single day. God bless everyone. Until next lesson that we have. All right, bye bye for now. Bye.